mōhio ana a Pani Taylor I te kino o te inu waipiro me ngā whānau.
I was born into alcoholism. That was entrenched even before I was born. So, you know, being born into that, raised in that environment, kind of created layers upon layers. The coping mechanism, well, for me, was alcohol.
I nai nei, rua te kaumawha ngā tau ki mua, e arahei ana a Taylor I te hunga warawara ki te inu waipiro.
Trauma can mean a lot of things. Family harm, domestic violence, financial hardship, homelessness, can't afford to buy kai for their table each night. It's a myriad of things that bring them to us.
Ko pata mai he rangahau, mai I o tākau whakaihu waka, neke atu I te iwarau o ngā mate I te tau kua hori mai I te inu waipiro. E ai kia Tim Chambers, ko tōna kotahi rau whitu te kau o ngā Māori kua whakahere ki ngā matenga me te waru te kau mārua pai heneti o ngā mate he tāne.
We don't have a great estimate about the total health burden alcohol causes in New Zealand. And so what we did is we took all of the information that we could get about the relationship between alcohol consumed and the relationship between that and the 26 different disease and injury conditions. There are some differential rates in drinking between Māori and non-Māori, and Māori had a alcohol attributable death burden twice that of non-Māori because of the way that it's drinking in total quantities.
He oi, ko tā Chambers, he herenga anō me enei matenga waipiro.
The biggest contributors to the alcohol attributable deaths were cancers. And so there's a range of cancers that are associated with alcohol consumption. Breast and bowel cancer are two of the big ones. So around 1 in 10 cancer deaths in New Zealand of breast and bowel cancer are attributable to alcohol.
Ki Waitaha, I Waitahe ngatia e te kaunihera o Otautahi, te kaupapa here inu waipiro I te tau 2017. Whakawhiti mai ki ēnei wā, ko timata rātou ki te mahere, he kaupapa here inu waipiro hou, ka mutu hei te mutunga o tēnei tau, ka whakarewa tēnei whakahau, ki mua I te maria. Heoi anō, mena ka whakatō tēnei kaupapa here I wainganui a tātou, ka tau haere te inu waipiro?
There is some evidence that the younger cohorts are drinking less, which is great. But overall, the amount of alcohol consumed across most age groups is still quite high. And a lot of the alcohol consumed is actually in men.
Tautoko mirimiri kōrero is important, and that is what we see and feel every day, regardless of age, regardless of gender. That disconnection from who they are is absolutely tremendous.
Kei te wānanga tonu te kaunihera mo te kaupapa here o Tautahi, a taihoa ke ka kite mena ka piki, ka heke rānei te inu waipiro, puta noa I te motu. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.